Hi, today I will show you how an app called Auslogics Registry Defrag works. Auslogics Registry Defrag is an app capable of performing a defragmentation task on Windows registry entries, to optimize space. The app interface is clear and simple. You can view registry fragmentation statistics, review details, and run a defragmentation task. By default, Auslogics Registry Defrag automatically creates a restore point before defragmentation, in case something goes wrong and you need to restore your settings. While the scan job is in progress, you can see a visual representation of the current status of the registry and possible optimization, as well as the progress. Once this part of the process is complete, you can see how much Auslogics Registry Defrag can reduce the size of the registry and how much the speed of access to the registry can be increased. You can start the defragmentation operation immediately or at the next system reboot. The program occupies a very low amount of CPU and system memory and quickly finishes a scan on the Windows registry files. After restarting the computer, registry defragmentation is actually reduced by what the program expects. In conclusion, Auslogics Registry Defrag is a great app for reducing the size of Windows registry keys and I recommend it to all users. See you next video and now some music.